This lesson is about the places you can go to get your version of Java. There are two fundamental approaches to compiling and running Java programs. You can use the traditional approach of compiling and running your Java programs from the command line, as I'll be doing in this course, or you can install an integrated development environment, an IDE, and use it instead. Now, this lesson will show you where you can find an IDE. The lesson following this one is the one that's all about installing the command line version of Java. You're looking at a web page that I maintain that has links to handy Java stuff. The reason I put this on a web page instead of in this course is that things keep changing. IDEs come and go and change their names and change their websites and so on. Whenever this happens and I find out about it, I make a quick change to this website. And every time I find a website with some fundamental stuff on it, I add it to this list. Here are the current IDEs that are on the website now. I'll just give you a quick look at them. If you want to get one of these, you'll need to come here and research all the details yourself. The first one in the list is Borland's JBuilder. Now, this may be the most popular of all the Java IDEs right now. That's always hard to tell, but it's used by lots of people, and they do provide a free demo version that you can try. These are in no particular order in this list. The next one is Micromedia's JRun. Now, this one also has a free downloadable demo, and they have lots of other Java utilities here that you can use to go along with the IDE. The Code Warrior name may be new to you, but it's actually been around for quite some time. And this one is much more than just an IDE. You can get other software with it and set up a complete software development environment. Oracle's JDeveloper is a development environment that is specifically designed to make it easy to work with databases. You'll notice this term, J2EE, that's used a lot. The EE stands for Enterprise Edition. That's a set of standard add-on classes that you can get from Sun. You can think of it as an extension to the standard Java. Most professional Java development projects use it. It works with all of the IDEs and with the command line version for that matter. If you're considering using an IDE, you should check out JCreator. It's a bit different from the others, and some folks prefer its lighter touch. JCreator has free versions and commercial versions, and like the others, it has a free demo version. IBM now has WebSphere. It no longer supports Visual Age. The WebSphere IDE must be pretty good because it caused IBM to discontinue Visual Age, and Visual Age has been successful for several years. The Sun Studio 1 IDE is the one that comes with a standard Java download. This is the one that's based on NetBeans. If you want an IDE that is 100% standard Java all the way through, this is the one. Well, that's the gist of the IDEs. I've listed the website for Visual Age, and you can find it in used software sales. This listing for Eclipse is something a bit special, and if you're the adventurous type, you might want to try it. It works for Java, and it also works for several other languages. It's so flexible, in fact, that you can make up your own language and teach this one how to be the IDE for it. The last one on the list, Visual Cafe, has been orphaned. It doesn't even have a website anymore. But don't count it out. It's gone away like this once before and came leaping back to life. The next lesson is a brief look at what you'll need to install the command line version of Java.